class English applied to the teachers of our school. My name is Javier Lewan, and we present the topic is 96 hours during the semester. And the topic that we have today is structure of the university solar system, that approach gravity and among other. This is unit 3. But specifically, we want to say is 3.3. So it's the universe in your hands, modeling the structure and composition. This is my lesson plans. Resources is small subplot. Computer plan, small task chart, column boss, picture. My class with the games. Games called with because Miss Nicotan, I will give you the ball is small ball. And quickly passes one goes ball to one another, and the pass the teacher says tingle tingle tingle. When the teacher says tango, the student must answer the boy must answer a positive question. Okay.
Simple na.
Let's start. This is a student give the answer, the question. Okay. Tingle, 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 tingle. Tingle, 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 tingle.
No. Repeat again because you can see the person.
Yeah. I give you the question. Okay. The question is, what is the plan? What is the plan? No. Name one class. Name one class. This Jupiter is road or gas planet. Gas planet. Okay. What color is here from your face? What color is here from your face? Now, I am going to introduce about the universe. The universe is enormous space made of galaxies, repeat, galaxies, stars, planets, nebulae, asteroids,
Asteroids.
Cosmic dust.
Cosmic dust.
Very good. Everything in the universe is connected and organized by gravity, very good, which keeps celestial bodies moving in orbits and forming different orbits. Okay? Gravity organizes celestial bodies and keeps planets in orbit. Okay? Galaxies contain billions of stars and planets can be rocks. What is it? How plants? What are the plants? Rocky or gaseous? Now I want give say one questions interview with me with answer. Okay. What can you find in the universe?
We can find galaxies, stars, planets, asteroids, maybe cosmic dust.
Okay. Repeat. Everything. Everything. Okay. Repeat again. Oh, everything.
Everything.
Galaxies.
Galaxies.
Stars. Planets. Asteroids. And cosmic stars. Okay. And how are planets and star organized?
They are located and organized by the physical force of gravity.
Why do the galaxies look different?
Their shape depends on the Earth. They shape speed, time, and of the orbit.
Why do planets stay in orbit?
The sun's gravity pulls them, keeping them moving in a stable path.
Okay, now you will call scientific, okay, with this experiment. Okay, experiment is a galaxy here requires a material. This is a small jar of water. Okay, water. Food coloring and temperature light blue, dark blue, pink, red, then color box, silver lecture, and star sequence, and what is it for stereo. Okay? I can give
This one, they will be less or we want about what we
the field was clearly repeat the fields in the same place. The field one field of your class there with 4, okay? The second place.
Gas collection. Add 2 or 3 drops of light blue paint and you will represent this gas
Okay. That's close this. This is says and 2 or 3 drops. Okay. Okay? Okay. The next step is
Start accumulation. Add a generous amount of silver or cosmic glitter and start seconds to the water to the color of water, then mix the solution through.
okay. Add a generous amount of silver cosmic and start sequence to the red water in the mixed solution to roll. Okay? Please, put in 15. Yeah. The split for cosmos gatherings. Okay? A street, listen, a street, a piece of cotton balls and place in a silicate jar. Pushing it down with a stick until it absorbs the liquid. Okay? This cotton balls.
What?
Okay. The 5 steps. Okay.
Loyal repetition. Repeat the process with light blue water and more glitter to create depth.
Okay. Again, repeat the step, the first step.
Repeat again. Repeat. Dark blue water. For receiving a layer, replace a light blue color with dark blue paint of full colors to create a beautiful gradient look.
Okay. Repeat again the process, but you use the color blue dark. Okay.
student.
Okay, the seventh step is the Anjit. Anjit. It's the seventh step.
Sand and brown contrast for the fine areas with the colors pink or red paint, glassy brown, rosy contrast, and the last part of the restaurant is time, cotton size.
Okay, it's the same which we use the color red. Okay?
Is necessary more color?
Sorry?
Is necessary more color?
The same procedure we use. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, the final six. The close the jar includes some notes of your steps and Kinesio. So,
Aynı şey evet. Aynı şey.
okay, what each element represents? This. You can read. The last one. Yes.
The glass jar represents the observable universe or a specific localized galactic framework.
Represent? What to represent? What does it represent the last term? Is the boundaries. The boundaries, okay? And Spanish is limit. Okay? The column letters, please,
Symbolize the dense network of interstellar dust and the large scale longitudinal filament.
with across the cosmic space. And the water good coloring and
Emulate the dance accumulation of interstellar gases penicillin, hydrogen, and helium, which ionize and glow with different colors depending on the temperature and nearby conditions.
The picture starts act as model for individual star pictures and deep space objects held together with complete structure by the invisible pull of gravity.
okay, please. Okay. What is the universal force that connects and organizes everything in the universe? Very good. Okay, what is the types of systems or of galaxies the Milky Way? So, now, please. Okay, what two elements must make up a gas gigant like Jupiter? Letter B. Yeah. Why does Earth look like a blue marble from space? Why?
Because of light phase.
What is the planet? What is the planet? No, what is the planet?
Letter B. Letter B.
A large object that orbits a star.
In our experiment, why do divers and their sequence represent?
Individual star and star cluster.
Very good.
Thank you.
What do you call them that your symbol is the galaxy model?
The boundaries of the
I heard you.
The letter A.
Yeah. What cosmic element is modeled by water mixes in food coloring? In experiment, why does they are represent?
The boundaries of the outer universe.
And the last, why do we blue? dark blue, and pink color in different lights.
Beautiful.